Welcome friends to my channel Trading Sensation. I hope you all are doing well. Yes friend, Nifty is at all-time high and everyone is expecting Nifty to correct going forward. I'll just share Nifty and Bank Nifty view at the end of this video. But before that, I want to share 3 stocks which you can look forward in the coming weeks. So just a small request to you all, please do subscribe my channel and keep watching till the end. So let's proceed with the first stock. This is Zuari Agro, clear, and this is in weekly chart. So if you just see in tradingview.com, you will find that Zuari Agro had a very good support around this 77-78, and in March it made a low of around this level of 43-44. Clear. Now from this 77-78, you can see that in the previous instance it just straight away went and breached this important level of this 120, and since then there was no stopping. It made a high of approximately 295-300. Clear. So it was a clear multi-bagger. Now from that particular level it again came down and took support around this 120 and again started to move higher. Now presently you see that it has formed a somewhat an inverse head and shoulder, and you know that inverse head and shoulder is always a reversal pattern and it forms at the fag end of any trend. Now you see that the price action just hovering or on the verge of breaking this important level of 120.22. So please keep tracking this Zuari Agro, because going forward, if it gives a breakout from this level of 120.21, I think that you can get a target of around this 300 again. So please do track Zuari Agro. Now let me just show you the next stock, that is PVR. So this is also the weekly chart of PVR, and here you see that 1435 is a very important psychological level. Why? Because in the previous instances, see that this level acted as a very good resistance. Here you can see I have marked it, and it also acted as a very good support from the theory of polarity, that is around this February 2019 and then again in September 2019. See, it took support here and made a high of around this level of 1793, and then from this particular support it again went up and made a high of around 2050. And now presently you see that the price is just on the verge of breaking out this level of 1435. So please do track this PVR, because I hope that if it sustains at this level, then you can get a target of around the 1700 again. So now let me just show you the third stock, that is CEAT. So this is also weekly chart of CEAT. So you see that it has formed a good rounding base around this level, and 1060 is a very strong level. In the previous instance, you see that from this level it made a high of around this 1967, or you can say here it made a high of around 2000, and then again it took support here when it came down, and from that particular level again it went up and made a high of around this 1350. Now presently you see that this candle gave a breakout in October 2020. It went higher and retested that particular level again, but did not breach on the downside. So it's a very good entry point, I would say. So from this particular level I expect the price to move towards this 1350, 1400 again. So please do track CEAT as well. Now let me just move on to the index. I would start with Nifty. I'm going with spot chart. So let me just change the periodicity to say 15 minute. So let me just give you the levels which are very important. You know that Nifty is presently just hovering inside this upward channel. You see here it is moving higher. Clear. It is touching this level and coming down, touching this level and coming down, and you see that presently it is just on the verge of this upper limit of this channel. So as of now, the levels, the immediate levels that you need to watch is definitely this high, where there is a very high probability that it would face resistance around this 14400. clear. And on the downside, you should mark these levels that 14,300 and then again 14,260, and below that it should be 14,165, then 14,100 and 14,000, and below that it's 13,950. Please do mark these levels for your intraday trading, for your options position. Please do mark it because it will help you a lot. Now let me just go to Nifty Bank, and that is also for in spot chart I would show. So presently in Nifty Bank I have marked a few levels for you all, and it is you know that it is around this 32,160 presently. So going forward, please do track 32,250, and higher than that it should be 32,500, then again 32,680 on the higher side. On the downside, you should watch 31,850 and then 31,334, and below that it's 31,000, which is a very crucial level. So please do mark these levels for Bank Nifty for your intraday trading and your intraday positions. So I hope this video will add value to you. So please do share it with your near and dear ones. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.